A harsh critique of quantum mechanics and its contradictory principles. Asterisk not recommended for lovers, followers, or believers in quantum mechanics, who I hope will excuse my views. For many years I have observed that both relativity and quantum mechanics are based on a series of rather strange, illogical, and above all, contradictory axioms, theories, and principles. And the worst part is that once their contradictions are exposed, they are dismissed by ignoring everything that doesn't support them, especially in quantum mechanics, leading followers and students to avoid thinking, discussing, or trying to understand the lack of logic and the accumulation of contradictions that continually appear. I have presented and explained many of these contradictions, and today I will only address one fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics, superposition and, above all, its results when measured, namely, wave collapse. Particles are primarily waves in a state of superposition when we do not observe them, but they collapse when they are measured, observed, and analyzed, and take the form of particles. Well, no. The main experiment that we have carried out thousands of times, the single and double-slit experiment, which they use to support their argument, tells us the opposite, that after analyzing, observing, and measuring this experiment thousands of times, what it shows us are multiple signals with the appearance of waves. There has been no conversion of waves into particles here. Nor is superposition compatible with the changing and continuous evolution of the microcosm, which necessarily requires a transformation from atomic, molecular, etc., products into others, as we know occurs. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom could not react in a superposition to form water, since these reactions determine electron movements, changes, expulsion, and energy changes, etc., life of microbes, viruses, etc. They have also abandoned the idea of wave interference with 2 slits as fundamental, since it has been shown that complementary signals also exist with 1 slit, and that these signals can now be refractions, not interferences, which, incidentally, more characteristic of particles than waves, as seen in the diagrams. Of course, to distract us a bit from all this, you tell us about the wonders of quantum entanglement, quantum computers, etc. Well, that's all for now. My apologies to the quantum physicists.